Before I go up at the open field up there, son, you can taste you up there, son. Alright? You know, so your face can't hide when something happens to you, though.
Well, my face can't play hypocrite.
That bad, I will get that one day. But on a serious note, I want to you. Come on, Tony. Everybody needs somebody to talk to.
I'm gonna stop work at the shop.
You serious?
Yeah.
Just as me I get to know you. What happened? Them fire you?
No, me leave.
Is what? Shop ready, sir?
My boyfriend gonna take care of me, so I gonna stop work.
Your boyfriend? Oh,
Is what?
nothing.
What happened? You jealous?
Me jealous? But you say you can't see it, you see?
The second time you tell me that, you know.
Because you are conceited.
So if me conceited, you are what?
Anyway, your boyfriend must be rich to take you off of work.
Well, he wins some money, so he want me to stop work.
And he has to stop work because of that?
Yeah. Why?
What you say? Your boyfriend or your father?
Haha. Very funny. My boyfriend.
I must say father. Because I want to know how you make man for you tell you say them are going to take care of you and make you live your good work.
So I ask you something. You will take care of your girlfriend?
My girlfriend can't help herself, but me that help her regardless, but she's her own independent individual. So Tony, you say you love dancing. He might help you with all of that?
Yeah, he's gonna help me.
So, him own you.
Own who?
Think about it. If you make him do everything for you, you're not able to do nothing for yourself.
You know someone like talk to you, even though your face is still.
Fiesta, hear who I talk.
I'm gonna ask you something. You not afraid to your girlfriend I go vex say I make food for next woman?
Yeah, but she not there in Jamaica.
Oh, she live a foreign?
Yeah, she go school.
And she leave you alone out here by yourself?
Well, me dey meet her when she dey over there already, you know, so.
So, you love her?
Well, yeah,
You sound like you're unsure.
because me not sure if we still together.
Why?
From she go back up, she not call me.
Really? Maybe she find somebody else.
Well, anything possible. So, one to you about it, your father. I mean, your boyfriend. You love him? Hey, girl. You see from what you get to? Bright. Go look at work. Go get a work. Go cook. You think you're there for your pretty look?
Reds, I can't believe we're rich.
We are millionaire.
Yeah, I guess.
You guess? You not sound sure either.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. So Tonian, we can give you a word of advice?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so don't stop work at the shop. Please. It better you work your own money. You're more independent, so.
Hello, sir. So we tell us I'm not independent.
Make it stay that way there. Plus,
Plus what?
me I want to see you again.
You want to see me again? Well, bring more food.
So that alone?
I joke, me, I make.
You know easy at all.